So I recently got sent out this printer ink. This is the 62XL, and today I'm going to show you how to install it into your printer. It should be a very straightforward process, and most printers should have the same steps. So this is the printer that we're going to be working with today. There's a little tab here, just pull that and you can lift it up. And then we see the old ink. Just push down on these until they pop out. And then I'm just going to take them out and set them on this piece of foam so I don't stain my desk. So now let's unbox our new ink. Make sure that they look the same. They come nice and sealed, so they shouldn't dry out on the way here. So we have the black ink right here. We're gonna pull this green tab off. Now we're going to pull this red tab off. And it's really simple. All you're gonna do is push that in until it pops right into place. So it shouldn't be loose. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here with the colored ink. Now we could just slide this right back in. After that step, usually your printer is gonna give you a message like this. So we're gonna click change ink. So we just shut the printer and we got this message here. So we're gonna press OK. Now we're going to make sure that we have paper. We're gonna click OK again, and now we're gonna do a test print. And by the way, if you guys have any issues and it shows that you need to remove one of the ink cartridges, just remove it and put it back in, and sometimes that'll work, get rid of your error. So I'm gonna try to print this photo of my dogs in color here. So we'll see how that works. And this photo should have color and black ink. All right, so I probably didn't have to print something this large, but the ink does indeed work. We have this really cool picture I took of my dog sitting on the stairs this morning, and I really have no complaints. It seems to operate just like my old ink, so it seems like a very good option for replacement ink, especially if your printer uses the 62XL. So anyways, that's gonna be it for today's really quick review and demo of how to install those ink cartridges.